Welcome to Maryland HVAC Repair! In this quick video, we're explaining one of the most common HVAC terms you'll see on the job and on the exam, TD or DT, which stands for temperature difference. What is TD? Temperature difference is the change in temperature between the supply duct, air going out, and the return duct, air coming in. How do you calculate TD? Just subtract the return air temperature from the supply air temperature. For example, if the supply vent is blowing 55 degree, and the return air is 75 degree, then 75, 55 equal sign 20 degrees Fahrenheit. TD ideal range. The ideal TD for most systems is between 16 degrees Fahrenheit and 22 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's too low, your system might be underperforming. If it's too high, there could be a restriction, low airflow, or a refrigerant issue. What's DTD? DTD stands for design temperature difference. It's the difference between your inside design temp and your outside design temp, and it's used in manual J-load calculations. This concept shows up in load calculations, troubleshooting, and airflow diagnostics, so make sure you memorize it.